down a bumper cock sky, whining hard on me, got my python hollering for mercy, yeah. Then I whisper in her ear, so whine harder, and then she said to me, boy, just push that thing, push it harder,